Hey YouTube world, what is up? It's Dwayne back again with City Evergreen 360, and today we are doing a driveway and a walkway, and I'm currently clearing the guys' stuff up there. I'm gonna show you everything. Yeah, this is bad, but anyways, so today we're doing this walkway right here by the door. Move this mat. We're gonna do this walkway right here. He has a nice landscape laid out right here. Really good. I don't think he knows what he's doing with it. Huh. But yeah, we're gonna take care of all of that. I'm gonna actually slow down this time so you can actually see what we're doing with, you know. I noticed I've been speeding up and you guys can't really see what I'm doing, but I know you guys really don't care, but some people do. You know, they want to see. But this driveway here, all of that, and this side's bad. I'm gonna pre-treat. I took you guys' advice to post-treat and pre-treat for the lines and stuff, so I'm taking advice from people, you know. But it's gonna start raining here shortly, but we're gonna make it a great day. Still gonna go, rain or shine, the day is mine. And you know my slogan, watch me work. Yeah. So if you haven't subscribed and liked by now, you got to be kidding me.